Welcome to Wonders in Education, your go-to platform for high-quality teaching materials. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up, navigate the site, find and download resources, and make the most of your subscription. Whether you're a new teacher or an experienced educator, we've got something for you. Let's get started. Getting started is super easy. Just head over to wondersineducation.com and click Login. Already signed up? Awesome. Just pop in your email and password. If you're new, hit Create One. Fill in your email, name, and choose a password. Then click Create Account. You'll get a quick email. Just open it up, follow the directions to activate your account, and you're all set to dive in. A quick heads up. If you don't register, you can still peek at courses and grab worksheets. If you register, you can check out the first PowerPoint of each book. Totally free. And if you subscribe, you get full access to all the interactive PowerPoints, free worksheets, games, and quizzes. Once you log in after activating your account, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard, your home base for all the good stuff. Let's take a quick look around. First up, the Profile tab. Here's where you can update your details, tweak your settings, or upload a new profile picture. Next up is the Shop tab, your personal command center for all your orders and downloads. Here, you can keep track of everything you've grabbed, check your current address, and make sure your info's up to date for smooth, easy access to your resources. Now let's check out the Wishlist tab, your spot to save all the presentations you want to come back to later. You can even organize your favorites into collections. It's super easy. Just add a title, a quick description, search for a course you love, and click Create. Boom! Your collection is ready. You can also save courses straight from the All Courses tab up in the header. If you've already built a collection, you can keep adding more presentations to it anytime, either from the course list or even when you're viewing a specific course. Just a heads up, this wish list is a little different from the one in the drop-down menu under your username. The wish list in the header is for saving worksheets you're thinking about purchasing. I will walk you through that a bit later. Next up is the Settings tab, the place to manage all your account details. Here, you can update your email, change your password, or even clear your data, which will remove your wish lists and collections. And if you ever decide to say goodbye, though we'll miss you, you can also delete your account from here. If you run into any trouble or have questions, don't worry. We're here to help. Just send us a message anytime at info@wondersineducation.com. Just so you know, the profile field visibility settings and email notice options aren't active right now, so no need to worry about them. The My Membership tab is where you can see all the memberships you're signed up for, view your past invoices, and check your account and user details. You might also notice tabs like Notifications, Messages, Followers, Calendar, Zoom Meetings, Friends, Vibe BBB, Points, Groups, and Forms. These features aren't active just yet, but stay tuned. We're working on some exciting updates for future projects. Now for the heart of it all, the Courses tab. This is where you'll find all the interactive PowerPoints waiting for you. You can filter your view here, but just a heads up, only the courses you're currently enrolled in will show up. Don't worry if you don't see anything yet. I'll walk you through enrolling in a course in just a second. You might also notice tabs like Achievements, My Quizzes, Notes and Reviews, and My Assignments. These aren't active right now, but they're on our roadmap for future updates. So, how do you get started? Easy! Head up to the All Courses tab in the header. Here, you can filter by series or subscription to find exactly what you need. Click on the course title. For example, let's check out Moonlight on the Magic Flute. Although I'm not a subscriber yet, I can still preview the first chapter for free by clicking Subscribe for Free, Limited Access. It might seem like nothing happens at first, but check your email. You'll get a message confirming your subscription to that course. You can access the course directly from that email, or simply head back to your dashboard. click on Courses, then Enrolled Courses, and you'll see all the ones you're enrolled in. Click on Start Course, and just like that, bam! Your low prep or no prep interactive PowerPoints for Magic Treehouse and Merlin missions are ready to roll. One thing I really love about these presentations, they stay interactive and responsive even on iPads and mobile devices, perfect for when you're teaching on the go. Plus, even if you're mid-lesson and, surprise, that unexpected thunderstorm the weatherman forgot to mention knocks out your Wi-Fi and electricity, your course progress is saved. And if you've got a mobile device with a SIM card or data, you can keep the lesson going without missing a beat. Another great feature is the built-in drawing tool, so you can annotate right as you teach, as not all teachers use the same video conferencing tools. It's all about saving you time and making lessons smoother. Lastly, from the main dashboard, there is a colorful course progress tracker to help you keep track of where you are in the books you're teaching. Need homework, preview activities, or extra study materials? Head up to the Resource Vault tab at the top of the page. Once you find what you need, just add it to your cart and check out. Quick and easy. After you complete your purchase, you'll get an email with a link to download your files. You can also access your resources directly from the confirmation page through your email, or by visiting your dashboard, clicking on Shop, and then selecting Downloads. If you spot a resource you like but aren't ready to grab yet, just tap the heart icon to save it. You can check your saved worksheets right after clicking the heart, or find them anytime under the drop-down menu beneath your username. And before you go, don't miss our gallery. Hover over the Resource Vault to find the Gallery tab, where you can submit your students' artwork to be featured on the website by emailing it to info@wondersineducation.com. If your students create something amazing, just ask parents to take a photo from above, so we capture it in all its glory. Or send a digital file if the masterpiece was created on a device. We love showing off the creativity of students from all around the world. If you have any questions about billing, or if you have a suggestion, or just want to reach out, feel free to contact us at info@wondersineducation.com. We're always happy to help and hear from you. And that's it. You're now ready to navigate wonders in education and get the most out of your teaching resources. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead. Take a peek at the first chapters, explore the PowerPoints, and see how much prep time you can save. Happy teaching! And hey, don't forget to subscribe for updates, new resources, and a little extra inspiration along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the classroom.